Hi guys, this is TechTube. Today I'm going to show how to search a thing using image. Yeah, instead of words, we can search a thing using images. Let's see how to do it. For that, you need to enter into your Google web page. Yeah, after that you need to change your site, mobile site to your desktop site. Yeah, that's what I'm changing. Yeah, after that changing the interference is look like the desktop site. In that you may see an option, image like option. Yeah, in the image like option you can upload your image. It will be an URL or it will be an or image type. Yeah, I'm uploading my image. Sorry guys, wait for a moment. It will take some time because my network problem. It's some network problem in my mobile. Yeah, after the uploaded images you may see a related things what you want, as may it will be image or it will be an app or news, whatever you want. Yeah, this is the thing related to the images what I upload. Yeah, you may see an web or you may see an image. Likewise we are searching like words. It's very useful. Yeah, thank you for watching. For more videos subscribe TechTube.